Time. Time is our most precious resource. It is more valuable than money, a commodity you can't afford to waste in life. Time is perishable. Time is irreplaceable. You can't hold time in your hands. It goes, and once you've lost it, it will never come back. Money can be restored. Property can be restored. Relationships can be restored. But one thing that can never be restored is time. Everything created by God has an expiring date. A time to be born and a time to die. There is not a thing on earth that can escape the clutches of time. Time flies and it does not return. Years pass and we never get them back. Lost years are the years you can't get back. Lost years are Christless years. A life apart from Christ. An unrestrained life, living by the world's standard. You are your own boss. You do things the way you want it. You call the shot. Passionless years. Years of emptiness. Life without zeal. Losing interest in the things that you once enjoyed doing. Strength is failing. Joy is depleting. Can take another step. Can take another day. This burden is too heavy to bear. This is going nowhere. Selfish years. A me-centered life. A life that revolves around your own ambition, your own dream. Fame, success, promotion, wealth, all of them are meaningless. A chasing after the wind. Misdirected years. A life going in circles. Relationships feel more like an emotional prison. Misguided emotions. Misplaced priorities. Carrying too much emotional baggage. Leaving you with a wounded heart. Fruitless years. A lot of hard work was done in the past. You have invested so much that all the effort you put in day by day, month by month, year by year led only to massive disappointment. Fruitlessness starts to creep in. Everything seems to come to an end. Painful years. A life that is haunted by misery. Wanting to be free from the prison of your past. Pain. Heartaches. Trauma. And disappointments. All of these are piling up. You try to speak up, but no one hears you. You try to escape, yet escaping seems impossible. Broken trust, broken relationships, broken marriages, all leading to marital crisis or threat of divorce. Losing a loved one makes you wish you could turn back time. But time becomes a sweet photograph that turns into a sorrowful memory. These are the lost years. Wasted years. Years that we can get back again. Yet God promises the impossible. Everything is about to change. Weeping may last through the night, but joy comes with the morning. Those who sow in tears will reap with shouts of joy. The Lord has promised, I will restore the years that the locust has eaten. God has promised to restore us from all the troubles of our past, the heartaches from broken relationships, the struggles from defeat, and the frustrations of our lives. As God restores our wasted years, He brings forth in us supernatural joy, revelation, peace, and victory far beyond our human abilities. Now look back on everything that the enemy has stolen from you, the blessings that you should have received, the opportunities that were made for you, the anointing that you should have carried, the breakthrough that you should have experienced, the season that you should have stepped in. And now that time has come. The Lord is about to move. He will turn all things upside down. Are you ready? Raise your hands to the one who is willing to save, heal, and restore. 2021 is the year of restoration.